Hello, my crypto family. Welcome back to the crypto show. Alright, something big might be coming, guys. What if I told you there is a new meme coin project launching right now, right when Ethereum might be gearing up for a major breakout? In today's video, we're going to talk about Ethereum. Also, I'm going to give price predictions in the next 1 month, namely 3 months, and also overall why Ethereum right now is so much back, I would say, and right now doing also the great things in our space. Definitely, guys, stay tuned.
I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your research before making any investments. Ethereum is heating up and all indicators suggest a potential breakout. I would say right now that Ethereum is coming back on a big door with right now massive potential breakout. Really, guys, you'll see what I'm talking about in a couple of seconds. Over here on the trading view, we can see they're right now up in only 24 hours about 3%, which is for Ethereum really incredible, guys. When you talk about, guys, the volume and the price of the project, in 1 week about 5% and also in 1 month about 3.5%. You can also see in the past 24 hours this nice curve over here. That means, guys, something is happening and Ethereum is going really up. In 1 month we can see over here also from this point over here the Ethereum is going up, and right now, guys, the experts are eyeing Ethereum to reach about $3,800 to $4,200 in the next 30 to 90 days if bullish momentum continues. And also right now some of them are talking about $2,800 to $3,000 in a case of market consolidation. Of course, you know it already, guys, some things are happening around the world, of course, and that's really depends on the market after that. The key catalysts right now are that Ethereum ETF has approved. Yes, guys, ETF from Ethereum. You can also check out over here on Twitter. Also right now the layer 2 growth of Arbitrum base and ZK since. Also right now Ingress is taking a reduced circulating supply, and also right now what is also important is Bitcoin dominance plating, guys. Also, as you can see over here, this chart right now really shows Ethereum's recent trend, guys. Definitely check it out over here on TradingView and see what I'm talking about. Because right now Ethereum really going back, I would say. So what does this have to do with the meme coin out there? Well, this new project, guys, is built on Ethereum, and it's not just any meme coin, it's a rebellion. It's a NEOP over here. As you can see, guys, the NEOP is right now isn't just a meme coin, I would say, it's a crypto resistant movement. Right now, the NEOP represents financial freedom, decentralization, cultural disruption in crypto, and this is your chance to join a revolution against centralized control with a fast-moving preset structure designed to reward the boldest out there. So why right now the NEOP is revolutionary, in my humble opinion? Because right now we have a revolutionary spirit NEOP that leads the rebellion against traditional meme coins and centralized manipulation. Also right now it's designed to dominate the pre-sale system, rewards early movers with rapidly increasing stage prices. Also, over here on the NEOP, we have an unmatched innovation with auto liquidity technology. Every transaction really grows the positivity pool, burned instantly to prevent rocks, guys. And also right now empowerment through action joined the Memecoins revolution and help rewrite the rules of crypto. Also right now they're audited by a solid proof over here, as you can see with your own eyes what I'm talking about. Look at that, guys, CoinSalt and Certic. On that way, of course, boosting the credibility and the legitimacy to the project, guys. Over here you can see how to buy the project, guys. Buying is very simple. Here are the steps. Step number 1, to connect your wallet as well using MetaMask Trust Wallet. Choose Ethereum based on Binance Smart Chain Network. After, choose the token name and amount selection for the token, Ethereum, USDT, TORS or PNB as well. Enter the amount, approve contract if needed, and after that just confirm and buy review, confirm the purchase in your wallet, because tokens arrive directly to your wallet, guys, without any problems. Really easily. Also, NEOP takes safety seriously. One more time, guys, audited by top firms like Certic, CoinSalt, CyberScope. Also, you have transparency, guys, that means full open source for us, and also rug pull prevention, that is auto liquidity mechanism permanently locks LP. Or we can see the tokenomics, guys, total supply of 1 million tokens, and also unsold tokens will be burned. On that way, guys, liquidity locked after the launch. That way, of course, this is important for the investors, guys, and for the safety of them. 45% for the pre-sale, 25% marketing, 10% development, liquidity, 10% giveaways, ecosystem as well, 5%. Really built for a long-term growth. Or here we can also see the massive plans, such as, guys, of course, the launching the pre-sale audits and community channels. That is, of course, in this quarter 2025 when everything begins. Ascension, guys, in third quarter, guys, boosting the pre-sale as well. As you can see with your own eyes what I'm talking about over here, just swap it on the left side. boosting pre-sale activity, liquidity, DX preparation, guys, and other important things. In the fourth quarter, we can expect CS listings, global campaigns, MES, and also we can see in 2026 that we can expect launching platform features, expand cross-chain and partnerships, guys. They want to be the number one, and they can do it. On the bottom website, you can check the facts, and there are also featured, guys, in the best crypto portals out there, which is really incredible right now. Also, I can mention, guys, that they right now had a massive DAO protocol over here, because right now, as you can see, this is their full decentralized control over here of the DAO. Anyone with 1 million, guys, of their tokens, NEOP can propose. 2-day voting delay, 7-day vote window, 5% form required, time lock execution for security, and also DAO managers right now, treasury, token burns, license, and liquidity. Look at that, guys, with your own eyes what I'm talking about. This is right now really incredible. Also, what is very incredible is the community over here on Telegram. As you can see, almost 10,000 people, guys, in the group. Join discussions, guys, and find some great people over here. Feel that energy of the NEOP. Also, follow them over here on X and Twitter, so you can be informed with everything that is happening. And of course, they're going to post the biggest updates, the biggest news, and other important things on their X, namely Twitter. Definitely, guys, think about it, of course, and of course, join right now the rapidly growing community. Overall, guys, when I right now sum it up, wrap it up, really we have a massive features like an DAO control governance, time lock treasury, auto liquidity plus Uniswap plus LP burn, control token burn 5% max, and also fee of 2.5%, default maximum 5%. Overall, guys, NEOP isn't just a meme coin. Right now, it's a signal to the crypto world that community matters and decentralization is non-negatable, I would say. Right now, with Ethereum gaining momentum, now might be the perfect time to back a project that reflects its core values. Openness, decentralization, and unstoppable code, guys. Believe me, if you're right now looking for the next hidden gem, I would think you need to consider right now the NEOP, because right now we have a couple of reasons for that, and I have showed you guys why I think, in my humble opinion, right now NEOP has a massive potential. After, guys, check all the description box down below and leave me your thoughts in the comment section down below. Smash that like, share, and subscribe, it means a lot. That was a crypto show, and I can only tell right now that the NEOP can reach the moon without any problems. See you in the next one, guys.